Ideally, dairy is off the table, right? But can you actually enjoy this dairy product with zero discomfort? It's known for the ability to stimulate the digestive fire. No lactose, no casein. Could this be the answer? Is ghee safe for lactose intolerance, or is it another myth? You won't believe what I'm about to reveal. Hi, I'm Dr. Vikas Sangotra. Welcome to eBlosis. Lactose intolerance is a condition where the body has a difficulty digesting lactose, the sugar found in dairy products, due to a deficiency in the enzyme lactase. This can lead to discomfort, bloating, and other digestive issues. So the question arises, is ghee, a clarified butter product, suitable for those with lactose intolerance? What is ghee? Ghee is made by slowly melting butter and separating the milk solids which contain lactose and casein from the fat. The milk solids are removed, leaving behind pure fat. This process makes ghee almost entirely free from both lactose and casein, the protein that are often the culprit for digestive distress in lactose intolerant individuals. So let's understand Ayurvedic perspective on ghee and lactose intolerance. In Ayurveda, ghee is considered a sacred food beneficial for body, mind, and soul. It's revered for its ability to nourish tissues, support digestion, and enhance memory. According to Ayurveda, ghee has a cooling nature, balancing the pitta dosha, heat and inflammation. Since most of the problematic elements, lactose and caseins, are removed in the ghee, it is typically deemed suitable for individuals with lactose intolerance. It is also known for its Agni Deepanam, or the ability to stimulate digestive fire, aiding in proper digestion without irritating the gut. What does modern science say? Modern science supports the idea that ghee is often well tolerated by the people with lactose intolerance. Since ghee contains only traces amount of lactose, if any, it doesn't trigger the same digestive reaction as regular butter or dairy products. Furthermore, ghee is rich in butyrate, a short-chain fatty acid, which has been shown to promote gut health by reducing inflammation and supporting the intestinal lining, making it a safe and healing option for individuals with sensitive digestion. Potential benefits of ghee for lactose intolerant individuals. For those with lactose intolerance, ghee can be a nourishing alternative to other dairy products. This is because the process of clarifying butter removes most of lactose and milk proteins, making ghee easier to digest without causing the typical digestive discomfort associated with lactose. Number 1. No lactose, no problem. The lactose and the milk proteins are removed during the clarification process, leaving ghee with minimal or no lactose, making it more suitable for lactose intolerant individuals. Number 2 is improves digestion. Ghee is praised in Ayurveda for its ability to stimulate Agni, digestive fire, which is vital for proper digestion and metabolism. It supports the digestive process by promoting the secretion of digestive enzyme, helping to break down food efficiently. Number 3, nourishes the gut. Ghee contains butyrate, a short-chain fatty acid that has anti-inflammatory properties, supporting the health of the gut lining. This can be especially beneficial for individuals with sensitive or irritated guts from other dairy products. Number 4, enhances nutrient absorption. One of ghee's most notable quality is its ability to enhance the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, that is vitamin A, D, E, and K from food, ensuring that your body gets the most of the nutrients you consume. Number 5, enhances memory, mental clarity, and vision. According to Ayurveda, ghee is considered as an excellent brain food, enhances memory, mental clarity, and even vision. The Ayurveda quote this Shashtam Dhi Smriti Meda Agni Bala Shukra Chakshusham explains that ghee nourishes the brain, Dhi, memory, Smriti, digestive fire, Agni, strength, Bala, vitality, Ojas, and vision, that is Akshi, making it all encompassing toning for overall health. For those with lactose intolerance, ghee provides a safe and healthful way to enjoy the benefits of dairy without the digestive distress. By enhancing digestion, supporting gut health, and nourishing the body at deep level, ghee can be an excellent addition to your diet. I hope all your doubts were cleared. If not, mention in the comment section and I will try to answer your queries. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Lots of love to all the beautiful souls out there. Namaste.